flagship SUVs cost nearly twice as much as the other. But here's the real question. Is it actually twice the SUV? One is a Legend Reborn, tougher and packing more power than ever. The other is a rolling sanctuary, the very definition of automotive luxury. Today, we find out which one is the smarter buy for 2025. When you think of full-size, do-it-all luxury SUVs, two names always rise to the top: the Nissan Patrol and the Lexus LX. For decades, they've represented two different ways of thinking. The Patrol has always been the rugged, no-nonsense workhorse, built to cross continents without breaking a sweat. For 2025, those lines are starting to blur. Nissan just gave the Patrol its biggest update in over a decade, arming it with a beastly new twin-turbo V6 and a cabin that's finally ready for the modern world. Lexus keeps polishing its diamond, making the LX a benchmark for what a luxury vehicle can be. So where should you put your money? On the tough-as-nails icon that's learned some new tricks? Or the undisputed king of comfort that can still climb a mountain? We're going to break them down on design, luxury, on-road comfort, off-road guts, and that all-important price tag to give you the final answer. The Lexus. The LX is all about making a statement. That enormous spindle grille is still a love-it-or-hate-it feature, but you can't argue with its authority. The body is a complex dance of sharp creases and flowing surfaces, designed from the ground up to look expensive and sophisticated. The 2025 Nissan Patrol. If you're familiar with the old one, get ready for a shock. The change is night and day. The old, plastic-heavy dash is gone, replaced with a clean, modern layout that completely lifts the ambiance. The new 12.3-inch central touchscreen is a massive and much-needed upgrade, finally bringing wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to the party. The Lexus LX is engineered for pure serenity. Its 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 makes a silky smooth 409 horsepower, but it's the refinement that really gets you. Hooked up to a seamless 10-speed automatic, the power delivery is just effortless. The Lexus LX, in contrast, feels almost like a cheat code. It's just as capable, but it gets the job done with a brainy suite of electronics. With systems like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and active height control, the LX does the hard work for you. The Nissan Patrol and the LX live in different financial zip codes. A top-spec Nissan Patrol can be had for around $60,000 in a market like the UAE, whereas the Lexus LX starts closer to $100,000 and climbs quickly from there. Which one of these titans would you park in your driveway? Are you going for the raw power and incredible value of the Nissan Patrol, or the unmatched refinement and tech of the Lexus LX? Let me know in the comments below. Let the debate begin.